Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp marketing and unlock Aisensy's full potential? Let's walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to upgrade your Aisensy plan. First, log into your Aisensy account. You'll land on your main dashboard. Look for your profile icon or account settings button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select account settings from the list. This will take you to your account management area. Within your account settings, find the Plan and Billing or a similarly named tab. This is where you manage your subscription. Click on it. You'll now see your current plan details, including the features you have access to and any usage limits. Below that, you should see different upgrade options. Review each plan carefully, paying attention to the features offered, the number of contacts allowed, and the monthly pricing. Once you've found the plan that suits your needs, click the upgrade button next to it. You'll be redirected to a secure payment gateway. Review the order summary, which shows the plan you're upgrading to, the billing cycle, and the amount due. Enter your payment information, such as your credit card details. After entering your payment information, click the Pay or Subscribe button to finalize the upgrade. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your upgrade was successful. Congratulations, you've now unlocked a new set of Aisensy features.